Today in this video I'm going to share with you what you have to do to have 30-40 sales per day on eBay. As you see, I have 4,885 orders placed on Amazon in the past 3 months. That's, if you divide it, probably you understand that there is quite a bit of sales every day I'm getting in. So that's one of the things where I'm going to share with you in this video what you have to do to have about 30-40 sales a day on eBay dropshipping, and why eBay promoted item option is evil. Or let me put in other words, why eBay promotions are evil. This is a huge, big misunderstanding. That's why I'm so actively on YouTube explaining and warning people to stay away from eBay promotions. Okay, and third is I will address very quickly why so many dropshippers are getting suspended. So if that's interesting for you, just watch the video. Welcome back. So this is about how to grow your sales, how to increase your sales, and how to protect yourself from that big evil called eBay promotions. I will explain why. I will try to do it very quick, just to run it through. Hopefully it will gonna be value for you. Okay, so this is Amazon's account. I will go back to my orders. First, I will start just explaining very quickly about how you start. Okay, so when I click to my orders here, so what you can see on the screen is 4,885 orders placed in the past 3 months. It's absolutely crazy. I know it. I know. This is not how you start. You don't start even with the items like those, okay? That's why I'm so openly sharing with you, because I know most of you are struggling even to get 5-10 sales per day, and this is the reason why. Not only reason, but this is the reason why. If you are using, or if you have been recently using eBay's promoted listing option, that's why you do not have this ability to sell 5, 10, 15 or 20 items per day. In a matter of fact, actually, I'm getting every day more than 30 items, up till 50 items per day. So this is what you do. Let me just jump on eBay and explain how you start selling. You do not start, again, not with those items you can see on the right side here. This is not for you. This is not for you. Okay, this one bike rack, it's not for you. This is not how you start, guys. If you will try to do this, you will not gonna succeed. I can give you here very solid advice what you shall do. Let's go to eBay. So, okay, let me try to be very quick here. And on eBay, we will gonna search for let's say for one bike rack. Okay, one bike rack, we put there in one bike rack, and what you can see here is the sponsored, right? This is the sponsor, that's the promoted, that's the sponsor here, it's the same, it's a big company, looks to me, because of this Rock Bros, and we can click there, it doesn't matter, just to show you the idea why it's evil. You see, it's their product, I guess. It's not dropshippers, Rock Bros. You can see here on a picture, Rock Bros. Company producing their own stuff, and they're getting a lot of views. They are not the newbies here. Anyway, so the point here is, look, when you scroll down, let's say this is you. Let's say this, we will take another example later on. But let's say this is you, okay? And you don't have such a so big views, even they have it. Anyway, when you scroll down here, what do you see first of all? Similar sponsored items. Okay, so what it means those guys, they are paying money to be here, and they are paying money that other freaking weird advertisements are here under their, just straight under there, like on the first page when you just start here, when you just landed here, you even see on the same screen, you see in the same screen here, similar sponsored items, which means I'm paying to eBay, I'm wasting my money, I'm giving to eBay my money for them to show me, and under me to show my competition. Okay, cool. And then you can go on and on and on, similar sponsored items. Okay, so now scroll down a little bit more. What do you see here? Sponsored items from this seller. Okay, cool, from this seller. Anyway, it's a sponsored items. Sponsored items. You go down here, then you pass all this freaking weird. My gosh, this get to the point. On the bottom here, what you see again? Sponsored items based on your recent views, which means again what? eBay is so pushing us to see the sponsored items. Sponsored items. If you have a human kind of like common sense, you don't need to trust me, you don't need to believe me, but just think a little bit. This is what you like or people like to see advertisements, to see sponsored ads? No, of course not. Most people not. Okay, so what's the option for this? What's the option? The main thing is here. You are paying to eBay to show you, and then you got all that competition just beneath your listing. How fair is that? That's evil. I think that's evil because they don't care about you. They care about only their own pocket. What's the solution here? What's the cure here? Very simple. I can go because I taught this already for a while. It's on my eBayGator. If somebody coupleless funnel, let's take, because I use that to make a point and to show. And I see some newbies, they just straight away they get into that very quickly. And let me just take this one here because it looks like the pictures I was showing. Okay, here is this one is not. Let me just skip this and go another newbie, which is, where can I see something similar? This is again, you see the pictures I was sharing with them. Yeah, here it is. You see, this is the promotion. This is the not promotion, sorry, my bad. This is the logo of the charity, because I was teaching about the charity, and you can see some newbies, they're just picking up straight away, but this is not how it works. Charity, this is more powerful. Even now, this is more powerful than eBay promoted listings. This option, when you click this option on, and you know how to do it, it's in my another video actually. Okay, you are getting, there is more than 10 benefits I was counted. There was including tax deduction, okay, including you got the discount on a final fee from eBay. Okay, in this case, when you use sponsor items, you are paying. You have no tax deduction. You have no benefits. Nothing. Here you got, when you use this is guys, this option here is how I got those thousands and thousands of sales. Okay, not a month, but almost 5,000 sales over the 3-month period. Okay, that's crazy. That's insane what's happening right now. If you are using eBay promoted listing option, well, you can do that. Okay, by all means you can do that. It's no problem. I'm just sharing what I know. You see, guys, when you use this one, nothing goes to eBay's packet, right? So there is no really sexy like thing to advertise that. Okay, it's kind of like charity deed only. Okay, but this one, people likes to buy from them. By the way, this is how it looks, because I know it's mine, because I was choosing the Pets for Patriots, and you see, this have to be connected with your account. This have to be connected with your account. Okay, and then this appears here, there, and when the buyers are coming, that's what they love. They love to see, oh, this guy is pretty good. I will gonna buy from him because I am the pet lover. I have this dog, and for the pets, for the patriots. Ooh, shoo, oh yes. And this is where you can sell stuff like this for more price than your competitors. And when you do this, you got more traffic, you got more views, you got more sales, you got more profit. People like more you. They were gonna save your kind of, if you do your job, of course, if you gonna ship them in a proper way and fast as you promised. Okay, although there is a few more like a human aspects only. Okay, nothing complicated. Of course, you used to pay this one because you, as I told you, actually on the back door you got paid. You got paid because you got this tax deduction. You got all those benefits what eBay is giving you, but they don't advertise this because it's not in their pocket. Charity versus promotions. It's like day versus night. Okay? Charity is the one what can take you up, just like a rocket. Okay? If you use promotions, you will be put not only on a hold when you switch it off. When you switch off charity, nothing happens. Okay? But when you, guys, again, go and see my another video. I have been donating and have been using them thousands and thousands of dollars already because they are helping me to sell and getting more and more and more money, okay, and sales. That's just, I'm so excited because it's so crazy, and you don't have to pay. You get basically all the money back. I just want to make the point here, not about the proper listing, but that's the point. You have to have the right product. Basically, you can sell any product if you use charity, okay? But you have to connect in the right way. That then you just attract the buyer. This is how you attract the buyers, okay? And profits are just right there. It's just kind of like a law of the gravity. Guys, try this. You will not be disappointed. If you will try this, you will see that the eBay promotions are nothing. That's actually just a marketing trick from eBay. And by the way, if you have any questions, please put in the comments here. I know I'm not addressing all the answers here because I told you I have this eBayGator training, which is there is videos. I don't remember how many, maybe 10 videos are inside how to step by step connect properly to make it work. It's like volcano. It's like explosion starts to happening in your account if you use charity. Now, the word of warning here. Listen, this is very critical and very important. If you have been using promoted, let's go back. I need to get this to you. You see, those guys, they getting sales now, crazy sales they getting, okay, because of the charity. Because of the sponsor ads, okay. Some are not getting, okay. If you will scroll, I will not go there because I see it's. But let's say some just connected, and some of you may be connected, and you don't have those results. But you connected the sponsor ads, like to be promoted, to promote your store, sponsor listings. For some listings, 5-10 listings, you have, let's say totally you have 100 listings active, and you choose, hey, okay, I will gonna promote 10 of them, okay, or follow whatever marketing system you want, and you connected 10 listings to promotions, okay. Now you getting few sales there, okay. Those guys getting a lot of sales. Now they heard me, they say, oh, this guy Andrew, he is a smart guy, now we know what to do, and they disconnect the sponsorship there, the promotions here, and they jump into the charity. They make that logo, connect everything there, and nothing happens. You know why? Because eBay will gonna punish you for quitting paying them, because you have been feeding that beast. And when you stop feeding that beast, they will gonna punish you. You will gonna be punished for 30 days as a minimum. They will not gonna show you. Your visibility will gonna drop, okay? Because they say, oh, what do you think you can go alone without us? Okay, try. So that's what actually happening. But you have to take that suffer if you using sponsor promotions, because this will going to be only for 30 days. After 30 days, they have to show you again, because it's kind of like the 1 month cycle goes over, okay? So as soon as you start this, as sooner you will gonna make money. And even with the sponsor ads, you will not gonna get such a big results as you can get with the charity, and people will not gonna like you anyway. One thing, the last thing about suspension, I said I was gonna mention something about suspended accounts also. You see, you can do sponsor, you can do those eBay promotions, and you can still be suspended, okay? But when you do charity, eBay will gonna eBay will gonna look to you kind of like you are the good guy. Okay, I don't want to go in the details there, but just trust me, they really trust kind of like look to those uh, people who use the sellers, I would say that word here, sellers who use promoted listings, oh, sorry, sellers who use charity and donation option here, they are more like flexible towards them. And I can tell you stories and stories, but just one story, one example for the newbies. When I opened this account where I'm getting those crazy sales right now in June, this year in June, I had this a situation when I was, international specifically for you. When you open account, you got limited listing limits, right? So I had the same. Because I started immediately like this to sell the items, and I was like, boom, sold out. I need some more listing limits. I was texting eBay and I mentioned eBay. I knew it already about the charity and stuff like this. I implemented very quick to make it very fast, to make it like, hey, I don't have time. I need to go very fast on my account. And they saw it, long story short. They saw that I am using charity option. And because of the charity option, I was kind of like, good guy in their eyes. And they listed my limits extraordinary high from 10 to 200. From 10 to 200. Normally they don't do this. Normally they take steps like 10, 25, or from 10 to 50, but they did it from 10 to 200. And they wrote me the small message I was posting in a Facebook group with the eBay, this customer support. They wrote me that they are like appreciate the charity and blah 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 blah. So that's the another thing how you protect yourself not to become suspended, because you're taking away focus, like this suspicious focus from eBay, like, who is this guy, new guy, who is selling there? And you are switching their focus straight away that you are coming here to eBay not only to make money, but to provide value. All right? Okay, guys, sorry for taking this too long, but that's the really big deal here. I just wanted to share with you, and I'm not so often on YouTube now because when you get 30, 40, 50 sales per day, guys, this is you got a little bit to do a job, right? Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you on the next video. If you have any questions, please put in the comments, because your questions will gonna help me to make another video for you, to help you to grow. All right, take care. Bye bye.